Hi guys, welcome to How to Crack the Java Interview. Today we will discuss why string is immutable. Why string is immutable? String is immutable because of the string constant pool area. How string constant pool area is working, how it is make string as immutable, we'll discuss. First, what is string constant pool area? String constant pool area, it is a memory space located in heap memory. It is a memory space located in a heap memory to store the string literal. To store the string literal is called the string constant pool. String constant pool. Okay, we'll see that is the string constant pool. It is a memory space located in heap memory to store the string literal is called the string constant pool. No two string object can have same value in the string constant pool. Okay, we'll show how it is creating. Suppose I am creating one string object, string s1 equal to Java, creating string s2 equal to Java. One is s1, another is s2. If we'll create two object, first s1 will create first s1 will create in the string constant pool area because it is create a string literal in string constant pool area. Then assign the object reference to s1. Then again we will try to create the string s2 is equal to Java. Then first JVM will check if string already present in the pool or not. If it is present, then it will return the reference, otherwise it will create the new object. We'll see how string constant pool is working. First need to create one string constant pool. Okay, that is a it is called a heap memory. And next one, it is called string constant pool. It is a memory space in heap memory. Okay, I try to create the first object s1 is equal to Java, string s1 is equal to Java by using double quote. Then it will create the object in string constant pool. It will create the object like Java in string constant pool. It will create object like Java in string constant pool, and it will assign the reference to s1. It will assign the reference to s1. Then we'll go to the second object, string s2 is equal to Java. String s2 is equal to Java, double quoted Java. It will JVM will check that Java is already there in string constant pool or not. Yeah, the string constant pool that Java is there, that string literal is there. Then it will return the reference. It will return the reference to the s2. It will return the reference to the s2. It will return the reference to the s2 like this. S2, it will return the reference to s2. Here s1 and s2 are two references. It is linked to the same object, same string literal in constant pool. If you change, if you change the content of the object here, then both the reference will affect. Means string constant pool, string object will assign to one or more reference in string constant pool. If you change the content of the object, then it will affect to the all the reference. Because of that only string is immutable. And string intern also not possible. String intern also not possible if string is not immutable. Okay, then we'll go to the second one. It provide the security to application. How string immutable is provided the security to application. If you don't make string as immutable, it will create the security threats to the application. It will create the security threats to the application. For example, database username, database password, we passed as string to receive the database connection. In the socket programming, host and port description are also passed as a string. String is immutable, so value cannot be changed. If in this scenario, string is not immutable, in this scenario, string is not immutable, then then in then hacker can cause the security issue in your application. Hacker can change the database username password and will get the connection object, then it will provide the security issue to our application. And if you change the host name and port name, then it will provide the security problem to our application by changing the reference value. That's why string make as immutable in Java. And third one makes string thread safe. How string immutable make string thread safe? String is thread safe for multi-threading because because of it immutable because of its immutableness. Because of its immutableness, different thread can access single string instance. Different thread can access single thread instance. If if string is not immutable, it will remove the synchronization for thread shape. Because of that only we make string thread shape implicitly. Fourth one, it provides security to the class loading. Immutability give the security of the class loading the correct class by the class loader. For example, suppose we have an instance where you try to load the java.sql connection class, where you try to load java.sql connection class, but the changes of the reference value changes of the reference value maybe it create the problem. And connection class does unwanted things to our database. If you changes the reference value, then it creates some problems. Then connection class does the unwanted things to our database. These are the four important point we make string as immutable in Java. String constant pool area, it is also provide the security to application, and it is also make string thread safe, and it is also providing security to the class loading at the type of the class loading. Then we will discuss the next question.